Welcome to our channel Agriculture and Technology. In this video, we are going to see the 10 advantages of cow dung manure. Rich in nutrients, cow dung is a natural source of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium essential for plant growth. Improves soil structure, it enhances soil texture, making it loose and aerated, which improves root growth. Boosts microbial activity, cow dung promotes beneficial microbes that aid in nutrient absorption. Organic and eco-friendly, it's a natural fertilizer free from chemicals, making it safe for the environment. Retains soil moisture, acts as a sponge, retaining water and reducing the need for frequent watering. Enhances soil fertility, continuous use improves soil's fertility over time. Pest repellent, cow dung deters certain pests and insects that harm plants. Affordable and sustainable, a cost-effective and renewable resource for farmers and gardeners. Reduces soil erosion, helps in binding the soil, preventing erosion caused by wind or water. Improves plant growth, encourages healthy growth with vibrant flowers, fruits, and foliage. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.